Ka 67 Battalion Crpf Shillong, haka jingit relang, bat ka Regional Institute of Advanced Studies Rias Nongpoh, kalapenlong, ya ka orientation program, da ka jing temu, ban ai jing hikai klem jing seu, lane hikai ya ki kena ki bawan, na ki longying ki baduk bajinjar, bat ki baduna haka yo kakot. Kiradon hatu lai pongut ki kena ki bawan syah hikai, bat ki balayo jing mentoy, na kene ka program. Hakaba ka 67 BN Crpf Shillong kala aya ka jing kersan haka baydey bat ka jinglut jing sep ban aya ka jing hikai ki jing hikai ki belawan ra lingba ka ne ka program kalong bentip ya ka core computer ki bakentup nadu ka basic course hadu ka advanced course da ka jing temu ban kentiu ya ka jing tip halor ka computer kane ka program kalong ka wei na ki sinjam ban ailat ki khna ki baduna haka yo ka kot haka pule puthi khnang bakinyo ya ki lat ki bakhambha haka jing pule ka jongki haka orientation program laidon bentalang nadu ujay sing ubadei u komandan jongka 67 Battalion Crpf Shillong bat u Abhijit Kumar inspector E/67 Battalion Crpf Shillong nangta uba scam swet ubadei u managing director rengkat bat kinong hikai ki khna school bat ki kmi ki kpa ka jingi trilang hapdeng ka 67 Battalion Crpf Shillong bat ka RIS Nongpoh ka penpau ya ka jingkit khli ban kentiu ya ka pule puthi bat ban ai ya ki lat ki bathamai ya ki khna khamtam ya ki tu ki bawan na ki longying ki baduna ka yo ka kod.
Students who want to learn computer education, so every year we have to conduct such type of activities. This time we select Nongpoh because we have our company nearby area and your institute is a well-renowned institute, so we decide that this time we will conduct a program in your area. So we have only two requirements. First, 100% attendance. Are you ready for that?
Okay, yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. And second one is to take interest in your computer training, because there are so many kids, children, students who are not in a position to afford such type of training. If CRPF is give you a platform, then please give your 100% and learn as much as you can. Okay? So best of luck from our side, and we will frequently meet you again during this entire course. But please take keen interest in your computer learning, so you will get maximum from this course. Okay?